Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to paint a realistic rose for the first time. So let's get started. First I'm making a rough sketch of the rose. Now I'll make the outline so that I can understand. In this way it will be easier to understand where to make the shadows and where the color will be light. I'm putting the basic crimson color here. First we have to paint the basic and then we will play with the light and shadow. Now for the shadow part I am using the magenta color and crimson color together. You have to mix both of these colors and then you have to apply it. Apply the darker colors on the inner side of the petals so that it creates shadow. Also make sure to blend the colors properly so that it looks good. For the light and shadow effect, you can play with the colors. Now again for the darker shade, I am using magenta, crimson and brown color. Now as this is the innermost part of the rose, I am using the black color and mix it with the magenta and crimson color so that I blend it properly. You see, I am creating shadows by blending these colors. We create the light and shadow effect to make the object look more realistic. You see, now you can differentiate between the petals. See the depth of the rose is creating. Now for the lighter shade, I am mixing the crimson and orange color. our rose painting is almost ready, but I have created this water drops on the rose, but I couldn't film the video. Now I'm applying varnish to protect the painting, and this is the final product. This is the final painting that I made. I absolutely love it. Tell me how you guys like this video, and do tell me how I can improve myself. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family.